J. Rossi Beats.
Okay, y'all, so I already prepped my hair. This is how I did it. I washed it last night and then I prepped it like this. The items that I used is my Eco Styling Gel, and I also put some of this leave-in conditioner by Cantu, and I also use this leave-in conditioner as well. It works great for detangling and moisturizing your hair. And then I did 2 ponytails in the back. The part is probably not even straight, and then I just braided it and I let it air dry overnight. And then this morning I used this hairspray, the Gotta Be spray, and I used it just in the back on the top so that it is a little harder and the glue won't stick so much. And I also put it on my braids as well to kind of help protect my hair as well. But I'm also going to be using wig caps, which is great, so my hair is protected even more. So this is the base for my hair. I'm gonna wrap this up into a little ball for the ponytail. So we're gonna do this quick weave and get started. The hair that I'm using is from Nadula Hair, and they did send me 4 bundles. I already tried this style once because it was my first time doing it, so I didn't record it the first time, but I wanted to do it again and record it for you guys. So it's been like a few weeks since I've done this style, and you guys might have seen on my Snapchat when I had the curly ponytail at the top with the back longer. And the first time I did it, the back was like 26 inches, and this time I'm going to cut it shorter because I want it to look more natural. And like I said, I already used some of the bundles, so I'm going to show you guys what I have left over. So I sent some lashes in the package, and this is how the hair looks initially. This is the Brazilian, I believe, the deep wave. I will put it down below if I'm not correct. But this is how the hair comes packaged, and it's wrapped up. This is how the curl looks straight out of the package. It's very uniform and everything like that. And of course, once you put the hair in and you wet it down and everything, the curl gets a little bit different, but it's still very pretty and curly. This bundle that I have right here is a 24 inch. So I believe I had 2 26s, a 24 and a 22. So last time I used my 22 on the ponytail, 26 in the back. And this is the hair that I had from my previous ponytail at the top, and I'm going to use it again. Just tangled up, not really defined or anything because it's just been in the box, but you can still see some of the curls. And I'm going to cut the top shorter as well to give it a more natural look. So I'll save this bundle for my top portion whenever we get to it. Last time I did leave hair out at the top for a leave out, but this time I'm going to try to curve my tracks where I don't have to leave any hair out, and that'll be a lot better because I hate having to wet my hair down and do a twist out and stuff, especially with this kind of style. So this is the 26 inch that I had left over from the last time. I used like maybe a track or 2 out of it, so that's why it is open, but this hair hasn't been used at all. So I'm going to start off by using this in the back, and then I'll go in with the 24 because I should need more hair this time since the back should be fuller since we're going all the way up and I'm not leaving any hair out. So that's what we're gonna do. So let's get it started. And of course, to do this style, you will need some bonding glue. This is the same glue that I use on my lashes. So this is the Salon Pro glue that comes in the bottle like this. So yeah, I'm just gonna get started. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my wig caps, and I'll try to put the camera where it's facing the mirror or something. I don't know how I'm gonna do to try to show y'all the back, but yeah, we're just gonna get started with this. What I'm gonna do first is I'll just move this out of the way, but I'm gonna take my braids and kind of like do them like this where they cross over, and then I will tuck this in. So I don't know if y'all really seen how I did that, but it gives you a pretty flat base versus just pulling your hair back in a ponytail. So So that's why I wanted to try it this way. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my stocking cap on. Sew my hair down. So I'm just going to go ahead and put my cap on. And I know my baby hairs and everything will get messed up. Plus I already slept on them, so I'll redo them. But I'm just going to put this wig cap on. And as you can see, it's pretty flat. And I'm just going to pull it up in the front to get it nice and flat and everything. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply my second cap on top of it. Okay, so just like that. And then you can kind of feel where your part is, but if you can't really feel it, you can go in and remove like the first cap and you can see it more so and mark it. The second cap, so that is where my line is. Go ahead and mark it again so you know where to stop. You're going to start off in the very back. And I'm going to go from here to here. This doesn't really have to be perfect because, you know, nobody can really even see it. But I'm just going to measure how long I want this piece to be. And then I'm going to cut it, take my glue, and apply it onto the track. Just want to press it firmly. You make me this way. I tried to stay the night. You won't let. Every card was full, but like I was saying, you just want to start wrapping it on. And whenever you're doing it, you want to make sure you pull the hair up and you're not, you know, balling it up and stuff, so it looks nice and seamless. And you want to wrap the band like underneath the bun and just keep pulling the hair up out of the way and wrapping it around. Once I get to the end, I'm gonna take 2 pieces of hair again from both widths. And then I'm going to wrap this around the ponytail, not to create a band or anything, but just to hold all of the tracks on there without having to really pin it and do a lot of pins. So I'm just going to wrap this around. To get to the end, you can pin it, cut the ends off first and see how I like it once I wet it down and stuff. So I'll just start off with cutting it down here. Oh my god, I just chopped it. So yeah, I think I like it about this length. So I just really cut the ends off and that was it. So I'm just gonna do it on this side too. And y'all know I like to pull the hair together like that and then cut. Really simple. I don't think it's that big of a deal. It's curly hair, so I'm just gonna pull it back together and see if it's pretty even. This side is a tad few pieces longer, so I'm just gonna trim that off. So this is how short I cut it. It's a nice natural length, so I'm just gonna take the ponytail, and of course I want the ponytail to be shorter. So I feel like the back is probably like a 24-inch or something now. I'm not sure. I think I'm going to cut some layers into it as well. But I'm just going to take the ponytail and cut this also. And I will just cut it like that. And then I'll probably put some layers into it as well. Y'all, it's curly hair, so you really don't have to be so precise with it. Yeah, it's not like straight hair. And if you're wearing your hair straight, then, you know, you have to be more precise. But if it's curly hair, you can kind of get away with just messily cutting it. And it'll still turn out kind of cute. I don't want to take too much off at the top because I do still want my ponytail to be full. Okay, y'all, so this is how the Quickweave looks after I have installed everything. So now I'm going to go ahead and wet it down and actually make the style complete. So I got my water bottle right here. This is just water, and I always get asked where I got this spray bottle from. I got this from Sally's, and it's like that mist type of spray, and it's continuous like that. So that's the water bottle that I use. So this time I'm going to be trying out some different curly hair products. These are from Mark Anthony. These were sent to me in PR. I haven't tried them at all yet. I got this hydrating curl cream. This one is coconut oil. I got this Strictly Curls 7-in-1 foam. I got this curl lotion. And I also got this hair and body coconut oil as well. So I'm going to use a lot of these products on my natural hair. So for this video, I will probably just use the lotion and maybe some of the mousse with the water. So that's what I'll probably use for this video. I'm not sure. I think I want to cut this a little more. So wait. Okay, so I did just cut my hair just a little bit more because I did want it a little shorter. So I'm just going to wrap up my ponytail at the top first to get it out of my way. And then I'm going to go ahead and wet the hair down and wet my hair. The hair through. I'll probably get some shedding because this is a quick weave. So I haven't combed it out at all yet. So, and you want to be careful because the hair is glued on, so you don't want to like rip your tracks out. You cannot be as rough as you would with a sewed wig or, you know, whatever. So just be careful. And while the hair is wet, I'm gonna check it to see how the cut is looking, if I need to cut off anything additional. So just like that. So that's how the hair looks while it's wet. This lotion, and it smells like lemony. A nice smell though. I like how it smells. So I'm just gonna put this on the hair. And you guys know, whenever you're putting conditioners and things like that in curly hair, with the quick weave, that's what loosens up the glue. So you don't want to try to go too close like to the glue part because you don't want to make your quick weave come loose any faster. After I put that in, I'm going to take some of the mousse. Ooh. And put this on there as well. And I didn't wet my hair down too much, like it's not drenched and leaking. It is actually getting cold outside, so with this particular style, I would say it's more so better for the summertime because whenever you go out, you can just let the hair dry. Like if you leave and your hair is still wet, you don't have to worry about getting sick. But I usually get up early enough, so I will wet my hair down first. Like that's the first thing I will do, is do my hair before I do my makeup or get dressed. So by the time I'm heading out the door, my hair will be dry, and if it's not completely dry, it will only be a little wet, so it won't really matter. I really like this mousse in these products. They feel very moisturizing, like it has some type of oil. Well, it does say it has coconut oil. Well, that was the other one. I'm not sure what's in this one, but it feels really good. Like this will be great for natural hair. Well, it's already kind of wet because I washed it just now before I put it in. So I'm just going to wet it. Sorry, y'all. I'm kind of rushing because I have some things to do today and I need to get ready so I can go. So yeah, I just kind of do that and scrunch it. And then I'll flip it back and kind of comb it into place how I want it to sit. And scrunch it some more, and then that way once it's done I can just tease it in the middle to cover my bun and it'll work out. Since the hair is wet, I don't really have to do the hairspray thing so much, but I'm still gonna put some. So I'm just gonna take this piece, spray it with some hairspray, and then wrap this around. Alright y'all, so I'm back. So my hair is partially dry. It's not all the way dry, and I probably shouldn't have put on a black top because you can't see the hair as good. But this is like the perfect length that I wanted, and I see a few little strings that I need to trim off, but for the most part the curls are amazing. Cut came out great. I just had a few little strings that I needed to trim off, which happens. And then the top part, the ponytail, I'm just gonna tease it a little bit. The hair is still damp, not really damp, but it's like maybe 90% dry, so I'll just tease it a little bit, and it really gives it the look that you want. Like, you can mold the ponytail to go more up or whatever, however you want it to sit. Maybe y'all can see that. I don't hairspray it because it's curly hair, so you know, if it gets a little bit frizzy, it's fine, and my bun covers up no problem. So yeah, I really like it. I think it turned out super cute, very natural looking. So like I said, this hair is from Nadula Hair. I believe this is the deep wave. If I'm incorrect, I will put it down below. I will also have their website linked down below for you guys as well, and any specials that they are having on right now. So yeah, I love this hair. This hair is amazing. Like I said, I've already did this style before, and the first time I did it, I left the hair longer. I didn't even get a lot of shedding to say that it is a quick weave. And you know, I was able to really see how the hair performed because the hair was longer, and it worked out great. I wore it for 2 weeks the first time. This time I wanted to do it shorter, more natural looking, and since it is cold, I don't want to have to wait so long for it to dry, and I just wanted a more natural look. So this is how the hair looks. I think it looks really natural, like, bitch. I think it looks really natural, like, boo, you cannot tell me this is not my hair. And then I got the hair popping at the top. Like, everything looks amazing. I wish I would have put my ponytail a little back because I wanted it to kind of sit back more. But I guess I can just push it back like that and it kind of works out. But yeah, I don't know. I think it's super cute. It came out really cute. I like it. If y'all like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll be back for more. Give me some suggestions down below what other kind of styles you want to see me do, because I'm really loving doing like quick weaves and stuff, not just wigs all the time, because that way I can kind of let my hair breathe and come out a little bit to play, but it's still protective. Yeah, this is the back. I love the curly hair products as well. Like, the curly hair products are bomb, like fucking bomb. These products as well, so definitely check out Mark Anthony. I believe they sell this at like CVS and like Walgreens and stuff. You can find it at local beauty supply stores, probably at Target and Walmart as well. I'm not exactly sure. I will try to link it down below for you guys, but those products work really great. So I kind of want to try it on my own hair, but I know my curls ain't popping like this, so I'll just stick to the weave. But super cute. Love this style. I didn't feel like putting on any makeup, so I'm about to head out the door. I have some things to do. Fresh face, fresh hair, Poppington. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and bye, dolls.